Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey, which is the same as Fiat Freemont guys. And we're going to show you if your front blower motor does not work, what are the symptoms. Now, you start with, okay, we're going to test like 5 elements now. First, okay, you guys have to locate, you have a fuse. You might even have 2. So, check the fuses guys for the blower motor resistor. In most cases it's one fuse for the front, one for the rear. Also you have a relay. Check the relay guys. If you don't know where they're located, some are under the hood, some are actually behind the glove box, and we have the videos that explains all that. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. This is where the internal fuse box is located if you need it as well, so check out the videos guys. This is your blower motor, it's right underneath the glove box. Okay, this is your blower motor, it has only 2 wires going in. You can see, usually it's negative and positive, and you can test those blower motors by connecting it to a 12 volt supply and see if it's going to spin. Those are super easy to test. Now, the system guys is way more complicated than you think it is. If that blower motor works, your fuse is good, okay, your relay is good, what do you need to do now? It could be a switch that turns it on, it could be the blower motor resistor. This is your resistor. Okay, we have a video how to replace it as well. But that resistor guys, usually if it fails, what happens? Okay, it just decreases the speed of the motor, but the motor will be spinning. Which means that it's not a bad motor. Okay, if the motor is spinning a little bit, it's not a bad motor in most cases. It could be, okay, a bad resistor, but in most cases, as I said, the resistor will only decrease the speed of the motor. If the motor is supposed to turn at, let's say, your number 3, but it turns for like number 1, okay, only like 25-30% of the real speed, then it's that resistor. But we're going to show you guys, okay, what else it could be. So let me, okay, do that quick now. Okay, this is the resistor out of the way now. Let me explain it. Okay, this one just regulates the voltage. So if the motor is turned on half, you know, let's say you have it on half the speed here, it tells you that it needs to send it, let's say, like 6 volts, so the motor is not turning so fast. But if that goes bad, it will probably actually send it only like 2-3 volts, and as a result guys, okay, what will happen? Okay, it's going to decrease the speed and it will not work correctly. So I'm going to connect this one quick. So let me connect this guy quick. Okay, perfect. Now, you can see blower motor resistor connected. That's the computer that we'll be using now. Okay, let me show you quick here. And just to get ready, okay. This is the computer, ignition is on. This computer guys is amazing. It can pay itself off in one-time use, so check it out. It will be listed in the description of the video below. Nothing sponsored, it's just a product that we love and it saves us so much money. You can read codes, tests and all that stuff on so many vehicles. So we'll select auto detect. It's going to tell us which vehicle we have. We have a Dodge. Okay, and now we're going to select to confirm the VIN number. It's going to decode it and tell us we have a 2012 Dodge Journey. So what we'll be doing with that computer now guys, we're going to test if that switch works. Now, if the fan motor is good, if the fuse is good, relay is good, the switch is good, most likely it's a blower motor resistor. We select, okay, control unit here, body, heat, ventilation, and now we're going to go under live data and check out what's happening now. Okay, front blower speed selected, right now it's off, so we'll turn it on, and now it's supposed to be on 3. Watch now. Here it says manual 3. Let's go all the way to 7. 7 on the screen, 7 here. So our signal works. It sends signal to the motor and it tells it, okay, it's supposed to be on 7 all the way high. But the resistor doesn't turn it on. So it could be just a bad resistor, guys, in that case. That's how we diagnose the blower motor resistor. Thank you guys for watching. If your blower motor doesn't work, that's the diagnostic procedure. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.